Alrighty guys, I'm on my way to the airport, but check out this beautiful sunrise. And here I am at the airport waiting for my flight to Cabo, Mexico. And here we are catching a city local bus from the airport to our resort. Here we are, finally made it to Solmar Resort. This place is super cheap, affordable, and if you're traveling on a budget, you can definitely afford it. I think we only spent about $80 per night.
Cabo.
This is a mixed seafood tacos, and it's so spicy, so good. Alrighty guys, this is it for the night. We will see you tomorrow. Hey, good morning guys. This is our day one adventure. Alright. Yeah, that's it for now. I don't know what else to say. So we're on our way to see the arch. We're probably just gonna go spontaneously, you know, we haven't booked or anything like that yet. 300-400 pesos, but we went there yesterday. It was like
We're gonna try to haggle.
Yeah, we're gonna try to haggle a little bit, and we'll see.
I want to see everything.
We're gonna make our trip worth every penny while we're here. So, all right. So stay tuned, watch us, and you know, like and subscribe. We found somebody who's willing to take us to the arch for a cheaper price, so here we go. This is our early morning private tour, right?
Private tour just for you guys.
Danielle?
We got Danielle over here. Hola. Wowza! Oh my god! And three go. Aloha! So we're finally in our. Hola, that's right. So we're in the arch right now, and it's very beautiful. Look at This is our first day going on a hike. What hike is this called?
Cerro de la Cruz. Cerro de la Cruz.
Cerro de la Cruz. Not bad. We're taking an Uber to get all the way to the baseline over here. And then we're back up. Finally made it, guys. Check out that. We were like pointing out at the mango tree earlier, and the local were so nice, and they're like, "You want it?" I was like, "No, it's okay." And then somebody just ran up to us and just give us 2 mangoes. Wow. Isn't that amazing? Here we are looking for a place to eat after the morning hike. Guess what we're getting?
Barbacoa, beef, pollo.
Pollo. Lemon. Mmm. Good.
And a hint of little spice.
Just to add some
Kick.
kick to it, right?
Okay.
There we go.
That's it.
This is downtown San Lucas, guys. Look at how beautiful this is.
All the souvenirs.
We found a really cute area right here. It's like in the, probably like downtown San Lucas. It's really cute. I had to take a video of this because I pretty much see everywhere here in Cabo where you can get all these pain mats or antibiotics over the counter. Pretty interesting, right? You know, if you guys are bored, you know, you can take a walk the Marina and check out the, you know, different restaurants. There's like things to do, so many different activities and events right there. Yep. All right, guys, so we got a little bored, so we this is gonna be our second time going to the arch, right? And that's our tour guide. All right, see you guys there. Right? We got our tour guide over there.
Hi.
I bet they taste good. This is like 10th taco in a row, but that's okay. Here we are trying to explore the nightlife, but we're both pretty beat, so we decided to just go to bed early and trying to catch another hike tomorrow before we checked out. Cheers.
Cheers.
How you feeling?
Fine.
Good? This is Mount Solmar, one of the most majestic hike I've done here in Cabo. You need a tour guide to go on this hike. This was very much needed as our tour guide educated us about mental health. As he mentioned, and I quoted on my Instagram, was, "When there is silence, be present." After our hike, we found a tamarind fruit, so we asked the owner if we can pick some, and he said yes. And here we are taking an Uber to our next destination, to San Jose Cabo. We're now strolling around San Jose Cabo and looking for a place to eat. Guess where we're getting? Another tacos, baby.
Wait. We need our plate. Oh my god.
Alright guys, welcome to San Jose Main Square, where the city features colonial style architecture that adds a distinct charm, and a historical and culture tour of the city itself. It is definitely a beautiful place to be in, but the weather was extremely hot, so make sure you stay hydrated. Our next destination was Playa Pamilla, a fine dining with stunning sunset, golden beaches, and crystal water that pretty much just waiting for us to arrive. snacks before heading back to the airport. Again, thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video. I will be going to Puerto Rico in 2 weeks, so if you like this video and want to see more of my trips, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thanks. First few hours before we book our flight,